Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your WhatsApp is not sending the verification code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. There might be some couple of reasons for this issue, and in order to solve the issue, first of all, you just simply have to open the WhatsApp application, and then after that check if your phone number is working properly or not. And if your phone number is not working properly, just simply go to the accounts section into here, and from there click to this change number option and click to next. Then enter a new number that you want to change into your WhatsApp, and then you will start to get the verification code. Otherwise, you can also add an email address into here. In order to do that, from the same section click to this email address option and click to add email. Now add an email and it will send a verification link into your email address, and from there verify your email address into WhatsApp. Then after that you can easily get the verification code from the WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.